I really want to make the most of my time here. I want to be able to look back on this experience and say, this is what I did in college, and be proud of it. And I think I've done a really good job of that. And Marist has so much to offer, it wasn't that hard, to be honest. My name is Mabel Aronson. I'm a fashion merchandising major, and I have a minor in business. 779. Everything about Saxby's is like the ultimate learning experience, from managing my team to finances and scheduling and all of that sort of stuff. Falls under like my umbrella of responsibility, not to mention logistical issues, and I have to kind of use the critical thinking skills that Marist has taught me to solve these problems. But it truthfully doesn't feel like work because it's so enjoyable, and I have an amazing, amazing team, and they are just like the rock of the cafe. Like, I really cannot speak highly enough. I think that they're all like really wonderful, and it's truthfully really fun. Like, I didn't know anyone on the team before coming here, and now some of them are like my closest friends. So with Silver Needle, it's an entirely student-run fashion show. I got a very unique perspective and set of skills from being on the logistics team and learning how to manage a budget and kind of understand all of the background that goes into the day of show. It was definitely a very interesting learning experience because I was actively participating and contributing to this event for the entire semester. It was entire class contributing to this one common goal of producing this amazing and very cool fashion show. I studied abroad in the summer of 2023 in Florence. It was life-changing and amazing and so much fun. I took a cooking class and that was it, and traveled the rest of the time. I think a lot of the time I get a little stuck in my own ways, but being abroad really taught me how to adapt and adjust. Marist has taught me that there's really no limit on what I can achieve. I'm capable of really achieving anything that I set my mind to. I would say always be open to opportunities, because everything that you do in college is a stepping stone to the next thing. And this is a time in your life when you have so many options and you can be so curious. Take advantage of it. You have nothing to lose.